In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change v.io subtitle font. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your captions match your brand and are easy to read. We'll open your project, head into the subtitles panel, then use the styles area to pick a new font. I'll also share a few quick tips to keep everything looking clean and professional. First, start from the V'd home screen. Open the workspace where your project lives, then click into the project you want to edit. This takes you straight into the editor. Give the project a moment to load, especially if it contains multiple video tracks or longer recordings. You should see your preview in the center, the timeline at the bottom, and editing tools along the left. If you keep several versions of the same video, double check the thumbnail and title so you're updating the right one. Next, look to the left-hand toolbar and click Subtitles. Depending on your layout, this tab might also appear in the top toolbar, but it's labeled Subtitles. When you open it, you'll see your existing subtitle track in the timeline and the subtitle settings panel on the side. If your video already has captions, you'll notice the text segments lined up under the preview. That's perfect, because any style changes you make here will immediately reflect in the player, so you can see how your choices look in context. Now, inside the subtitles panel, switch to the styles section. This is where you control how your captions appear. Locate the font option and open the font list. Scroll to explore the available fonts or start typing a font name in the search bar if you have a specific one in mind. As you hover or select a font, watch the preview window to check readability against your footage. Choose a font that matches your brand tone and is legible at a glance. For dialogue-heavy videos, a clean sans serif often works best. For tutorials or explainers, medium or semi-bold weights can help maintain clarity without looking heavy. If your background is busy, ensure good contrast by pairing a clear font with a solid or semi-transparent subtitle box, or choose a color that stands out against your footage. Keep an eye on the safe area near the bottom of the frame so longer lines don't get clipped on smaller screens. When you're happy